In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your X account to Whop step by step so you can verify your profile quickly and get everything set up the right way. This is a simple process, but if you follow each step carefully, you'll avoid errors and finish in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, head over to whop.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open your account menu. In the drop-down that appears, you'll see several options, and you want to click the gear icon that appears directly to the right of your username. That gear icon takes you into your account settings, where all the connection options are located. Now that you're in the account management area, look at the sidebar menu on the left, find the option labeled Connected Accounts, and click it. This section is where Whop lets you link different platforms and integrations to your account. You'll see a grid with all the available services that can be connected. Look for X, which is formerly Twitter, and click the Add button or the plus icon right next to it. At this point, Whop will ask you to verify your X account. To do that, enter your X account URL so Whop can generate a unique verification code for your profile. Once the code appears, copy the 6-digit verification code shown on your Whop screen. This code is important because it confirms that you actually control the X account you're trying to connect. Next, open X at x.com and go to your profile. Click Edit Profile, then find your bio or description section. Paste or type the 6-digit verification code anywhere in your bio text. It doesn't need to be visible in a special spot, it just needs to be included exactly as shown. After you've added the code, save your profile changes. Now go back to Whop and click Verify. Whop will check your X profile for the code you added, and once it finds it, your account connection should be confirmed successfully. If everything was entered correctly, you'll see a success message letting you know the verification went through. After that, you can safely return to X and edit your bio again to remove the verification code if you don't want it there anymore. That way, your profile stays clean while your Whop connection remains active. And that's it, your X account is now connected to Whop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.